Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be using the IONI Nail Art Chrome Powders, but we're going to try and use it with just regular nail polish, not UV polish. I have never tried a chrome powder, and on one of the packages, it says paint and UV set, rub, clean, coat, done. And on the other one, it just says prep, rub, clean, coat, done. So I don't know. We're going to try and use these. I've watched a lot of TikToks on chrome powders and they all use UV polish. Yes, I have UV polish. Maybe if it doesn't work on the regular polish, we will try it on the UV polish. But they only sell this at the Dollar Tree, and so I highly doubt that like a lot of people that are shopping for nail art stuff at the Dollar Tree have like UV nail polish setups at home, but you know, you might. So yeah, we're just going to try this with also a Dollar Tree polish. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's just black CV color vibe with hardeners, nail polish, and I've prepped my hand Hannah for trying this test out today. What you get in them is the chrome powder and a little like eyeshadow pusher applicator thing, powder applicator. And they only had two colors, Bougie and Good for Selfie. So this is Good for Selfie, the pink one, and this white one is Bougie. So like I've said, I've already prepped Hannah the hand with the nail polish. So now we're just going to go in and see if it works on regular nail polish. I don't think it matters what side you use. Nope. It doesn't look like it's working without the UV polish. If you tap, it works, kind of. Can you see that? If you tap, you don't get an even application, but it stays on. But I wonder what it would be like if when you put the clear coat on. Let's try the pink one. Or red. Looks pink, but it's red, I think. Yup. It's kind of moving all over the place. You're definitely not getting an even application. And it's streaky. Let's see what happens when we put clear coat over this. I'm just going to use the LA Colors Rapid Dry Top Coat. Again, got this from the Dollar Tree. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Like, the powder doesn't move when you put the clear coat over top of it. Okay, So this is with the clear coat over top of it, and I was really surprised the powder didn't actually move around, which is nice and surprising. So I guess you could use this on regular polish, but you're definitely not going to get like an even application. Why don't we try it with UV polish and see if we get any different results? Okay, we're back with some LED polish, UV polish, and I use this red carpet LED gel polish. And I have my little thing right here. Honestly, there's a good chance that I didn't even do the UV polish right, so we'll see. But yeah, now we're going to try these on the UV polish. Again, bear with me. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Okay, so it's still a little tacky. It's hard to rub. What if we sprinkle? The gel polish is coming off. I don't think it's cured enough. All right. Excuse me while I cure this some more. All right, we're back. We cured it a little more. It's still tacky. I honestly don't think this is going to work. Guys, this is why I stay using nail strips, okay? Little stickers. You don't have to worry about it. Leave the art to the professionals. Okay? If anybody has tips and tricks, though, please let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, so things I will say, it's a little tacky, but it is sticking better to the UV polish than it was the regular polish. So that looks bad, but like it's sitting better than it sat on these. I accidentally pulled these off before I realized that I had another hand. Okay? So like, don't look at Kirby error in terms of how horrible the application of the UV polish is. Let's look at the fact that the powder is sitting so much better on the UV polish than it did on the regular nail polish. Oh, see, look, this is good, this is good. It definitely takes a light touch. Yeah. See, this is a Kirby error. Like, that nail polish probably shouldn't be coming up. But the powder is sticking so much better. So I say that for the IONI nail art chrome powders, you have to use UV polish. And again, you guys probably already knew that. But for those of us that like to experiment, see, and I also think that it like kind of does better if you sprinkle it on and then kind of like distribute it. But then it might not be that even. Whew. Oh, but it does look pretty. The sprinkle method. That's what we need to be doing here. I also think that Bougie in general is just a much more, the white one is a much more flaky consistency, than like a glittery flaky consistency than this Good for Selfies, which I think is a little bit more like smooth. Let's try the sprinkle method on the thumb for the red one. Oh yeah. Sprinkle method approved. Sprinkle it on, spread it about, brush it off. Look at that. You get glitter everywhere, but that's okay. Look, that's nice. Also, here's what it looks like after I put the top coat on it. None of the glitter moved or anything like that, so that's good. Again, since this is going on like the tacky UV base, yeah, no glitter moved, but gave a nice shine. Okay, so the experiment was, do you have to use UV polish for these? And the answer is yes. You do need to use UV polish or LED polish for the chrome powders from IONI. So if you see them in the Dollar Tree, just know that like you need UV LED polish set up for that. And also, if you are going to use these at home, a sprinkle or dip method and then distribution of the powder works a lot better. And maybe you have a better handle on your UV nail polish application than I do, your LED polish application than I do. But if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, or if I prevented you from buying chrome powder for yourself, you know, leave a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe down in the, or subscribe. I'll try to link this stuff down in the description box below. If you have any experience with the IONI chrome powder, let me know. Or just chrome powder in general, let me know. I'm sure that you guys could tell me a lot more tips and tricks on how to better apply. But yeah, this is where we landed. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. Like I said, as always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.